By using integration by parts, show that for all a is greater than 1, the integral from 1 to a of ln x over x to the fourth dx is less than 1 over 9. So this is the integration by parts formula in the MF19. If you simplify, cancel out, we have the integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du equals uv minus integral v du. That's the short form. So we need to set the logarithmic function to be the u, and the polynomial is the dv. Okay, the polynomial or the algebraic is the dv. So the u is ln x, the du dx, the derivative of ln is 1 over x here. So the du dx is 1 over x, multiply both sides by dx, we get du equals 1 over x dx. And, and the dv is x to the power of 4 dx. This is the dv. We need to integrate both sides. So the integral of dv is just like the integral of 1 dv. And just like the integral of 1 dx is x, the integral of 1 dv is v. The integral of x to the power of minus 4 is, using this rule, we have the new power minus 3 divided by the new power minus 3. So now this is the u, the v again, and the du. We use everything here, and we plug in a and 1. So when we simplify, this is just minus 1/3 x to the power of minus 3, and this is minus times minus 1/3, so plus 1/3. We still need to integrate this part here. This is actually x to the power of minus 3 times x to the power of minus 1, which is x to the power of minus 4. We integrate one more time, just like this, and we simplify again here. 1/3 times 1 over minus 3, so it's gonna be 1 over minus 9. Okay, so if you wanna factor out minus 1 over 9 x to the power of minus 3, this is what you get. So notice that if you multiply, you're gonna go back to this, and if you multiply, you're gonna get this. So we're not changing anything, we're just factoring out minus 1 over 9 x to the power of minus 3. Now we plug in a and 1 and subtract. So you replace the x with a, and then with 1, and then subtract. So when we use a calculator, ln 1 is 0, so this is just 1, so that's why we just have minus 1 over 9, which is plus 1 over 9. So now if you look at this form here, this is the integral. So after we simplify everything, this is the integral. Now somehow we have to prove that this integral is less than 1 over 9. So since the a is bigger than 1, so you see here, it says here a is greater than 1. If a is greater than 1, that means this a to the power of minus 3 is greater than, it's just positive. Okay, so this must be positive, and this must be also positive. So everything here is positive, and we have minus times something positive, so this whole thing here will be negative. Okay, so to explain why, you can just write it down like this. Since this guy is always positive, that means the integral should be less than 1 over 9, because it's gonna be 1 over 9 minus something. All right, I'll see you again.